To expand triple brackets, first of all, we need to expand double brackets. That means the first one and the second one. Let's completely ignore the third one for the time being. Our third bracket is 3x minus 3. So for now, we are completely going to ignore it. So let's erase it. Now, let's expand these two brackets. What we're going to do is we're going to take a term from the first bracket and multiply both the terms of the second bracket. Now, one thing is to be very careful here is that when we multiply, we are just not going to multiply the terms, we are also going to multiply the signs. We are going to multiply plus and plus minus if needed. We know that plus and plus will ultimately result into plus and minus will result into minus, and minus will result into plus. So we will keep that in consideration. So now let's multiply them. So x multiplied by 2x will be 2x square. Both the signs are plus and plus, so it will be plus. Now x multiplied by plus 1, x is plus 1 is also plus, so x multiplied by 1 will be x. Now our first one of the first bracket is done. Now let's move on to the second term. Second term is minus 2 in the first bracket. Now what we're going to do is to multiply both the terms in the second bracket by this second term of the first bracket. We are going to do this. Now minus 2 multiplied by plus 2x is minus and plus is minus. 2 multiplied by 2x is 4x. Now again, minus and plus is minus. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. Now that we are done multiplying, now we are going to add the like terms. So what are the like terms here? This one and this one. We have only x power 1. They are not like terms, they are like terms, so we have nothing to worry about them. So let's keep it like that, 2x square, and plus x and minus 4x is basically minus 3x. So minus 2. Okay, we are done multiplying the first two brackets, and when we multiplied them, we got this one. So let's erase this part now. We have 2x square minus 3x and minus 2. When we multiply these two, we are going to get 2x square minus 3x and minus 2. That's it. Now let's bring the third bracket. Our third bracket was 3x minus 3. Let's write it here, 3x minus 3. Now that we are again back into two brackets, now we can multiply the first bracket and the second bracket in the same way we did multiply these two, right? Okay, so let's multiply them. We're going to take the first term 2x square and multiply both terms in the second bracket with 2x square. So 2x square and 3x is basically 6x cubed. Remember, we are going to consider the signs, so plus and plus will be plus. Next one, 2x square multiplied by minus 3. So this is plus, this is minus, ultimately will be minus. 2x square multiplied by 3 is 6x square. Okay, we are done with this one. Now let's move on to the second term. Second term is minus 3x. So minus and plus is minus. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. X multiplied by is x squared. So we get minus 9x squared. Okay, now the second one, minus and minus will be plus. 3x multiplied by 3 is 9x. We are done with this one too. Now the last term is minus 2. So minus and plus will be minus. 2 multiplied by 3x is 6x. This one is done. The next one, minus and minus will be plus, and 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Ultimately, we got this one. Now let's add the like terms. 6x cubed, we don't have any other x cubed, so it says like that. We have 2x squared here, minus 6 and minus 9. In total, it's going to be 15 minus 15x squared. Now we have plus 9x and minus 6x. They are like terms too, so we can add them. So we're going to have plus 3x. And we have only one constant here, which is plus 6, so it stays like that. This is how you can first take two brackets and find that result, and then multiply with the third bracket and expand the three brackets like this. Now let's look at another example. Okay, now we have another example. Just like the previous one, we are going to ignore the third one and we are going to expand the first two brackets. Let's do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one term from the first bracket and multiply all the terms in the second bracket. So x minus x will be multiplied with minus 2 first, then minus x will be multiplied with plus x first, right? Second. Okay, now let's multiply. So minus and minus is plus. So we don't need to use the plus for the first term. So x multiplied by 2 is just 2x. And then minus multiplied by plus is minus, x multiplied by is x squared. Now that we are done with the x, let's multiply it with the plus 3. So plus 3 multiplied by minus 2, then plus 3 multiplied by plus x. So plus and minus is minus, 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Okay, then plus and plus is plus, 3 multiplied by x is 3x. Let's keep it like this. And then what we are going to do is we are going to add the like terms. Let's write the minus x squared at first to maintain the chronology, then x. We have plus 3x and plus 2x, which in total will be 5x as their like terms. And we only have minus 6 as the constant. It stays there. Now that we are done expanding the first two brackets, now we are going to bring our third bracket. So 3x squared minus 2. Okay. We are going to multiply these two brackets just like the first two. Okay, so minus and minus is minus and plus is minus. X squared multiplied by x squared is x power 4, and we only have one constant, so 3 is there. X squared multiplied by x squared is x power 4. And then minus multiplied by minus is plus. 2 multiplied by x squared is 2x squared. We are done with x squared. Let's move on to plus 5x. So plus multiplied by plus is plus, and 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. X multiplied by x squared is x cubed. Then plus multiplied by minus is minus. 2 multiplied by 5x is basically 10x. Okay, now 5x is done too. Let's move on to minus 6. Minus plus is minus. X multiplied by 3x is basically 18x squared. Then the last one, minus and minus is plus, and 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. We are done multiplying. Now what we are going to do is add the like terms. First of all, there are no like terms of x power 4, so it stays like that. Again, the next one is x cubed. See, there's only one x cubed here, so x cubed also stays like that. Let's move on to x squared. We have 2x squared here and minus 18x squared here. So when we add them, we are going to get minus 16x squared. Last one, second last one is minus 10x, only x. We have only one x here, so it stays like that. Also, we only have one constant, so that also stays like that. So this is how you can multiply and expand triple brackets. I am sure that from now on, you're not going to have any problem in expanding triple brackets.